Hello everyone, myself Dr. Tanujveer Singh Chandok. I am working as a consultant psychiatrist in the Department of Psychiatry in CHPL, that is Chandigarh Healthcare Private Limited, Sector 69, Mohali. So today we are going to have a small talk and discussion about the impact of COVID-19 on our mental health. Stress, anxiety and worry, they are a normal reaction towards stress. इस कोरोना के पेंडेमिक के दौरान जो मानसिक दिक्कतें हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई हैं. ड्यू टू दिस पेंडेमिक इट हैज़ अफेक्टेड ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डोमेन ऑफ लाइफ. एग्जाम्पल सोशल, ऑक्यूपेशनल, प्रोफेशनल एंड इवन द पर्सनल लाइफ. Problems faced during this are like unemployment, working from home, lack of contact with the family members, having minimal access to the outsourced resources. What has happened during this pandemic is that the anxiety and the depression symptoms, they are worsening more and more. There are various neurotransmitters in the brain that are affected during this. Due to increase and decrease, वो neurotransmitters और chemicals के imbalance की वजह से ये दिक्कतें परेशानी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई हैं. So in today's time we should mainly emphasize on our positive mental health. Secondly, the fear among the people is of contracting the virus. What has happened is there is increased use of substance abuse. Like people have started drinking more, they have started consuming more of cannabis, ganja, nicotine, cigarette. ये सारा कुछ बढ़ गया है because they are feeling all alone in their sitting in their houses as they have no jobs left. On the long run, there is increased prevalence of anxiety and depression in all over the country. So what has happened is that it has also led to domestic violence. There are several home problems people are facing at their home, and even there is child abuse due to this isolation and lockdown. जो COVID-19 के पेशेंट्स हैं who were suffering and who are suffering from COVID-19, they are feeling guilty. They are themselves in a panic situation that what will happen, will we survive or will we not survive. So what has happened is this COVID-19, this pandemic situation has led to a psychological breakdown that has literally increased the rate of anxiety and depression in the normal population. More and more problems faced are like there are unavailability of the medications, there is fear of losing loved ones, there are burnouts, there are survivors guilt. Post COVID also patients who have recovered from COVID, they are also going through PTSD, that is known as post traumatic stress disorder. So what has happened, कोविड में तो ये दिक्कतें थी ही थी. कोविड वाले पेशेंट जो ठीक होके भी जा सके हैं, दे आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम वेरियस मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स लाइक PTSD, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, दैट इज पोस्ट ट्रॉमेटिक स्ट्रेस डिसऑर्डर. इसमें क्या होता है, जैसे कि पेशेंट को बार बार फ्लैशबैक्स आते हैं. उनका जैसे ICU स्टे रहा था, डॉक्टर्स उनको विजिट करते थे, उनका ऑक्सीजन लेवल जैसे घटता था, वो मास्क पहने रखते थे. सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स हैव टेकन अ टोल ओवर द मेंटल हेल्थ. इसकी वजह से दे आर ऑल्सो पोस्ट कोविड. सो साइकेट्री पेशेंट्स हैं, they are increasing more and more, and people are not emphasizing on the mental health right now, and that is actually the need of the current time. So some of the situations and some of the solutions that we can do in current time at our home only, they are: number first, obviously keep wearing your mask ना उतारें, social distancing please बनाए रखें, and please keep on sanitizing your home and yourself. Secondly, actively try to pursue some hobbies. जैसे आप घर पे बैठे हो, you're not going to your work right now, तो जैसे make a routine, start your morning with a morning walk or at least do like 15 to 20 minutes of your yoga time. उसके बाद आप अपना जो family members हैं, आप जो आपका family time है, उसको थोड़ा सा जो family का work है उसको थोड़ा सा distribute कीजिए आपस में. Please try not sitting idle at home because that will create more panicky situation in yourself only. Try keeping yourself away from the news and the social media, because what is happening is जो लोग हैं they are again and again trying to see the news, and news में जो भी दिखाया जा रहा है, and that is actually creating more panic situation at homes. So try remaining calm, help each other and be positive. Try being kind to anyone you meet around your surroundings. And if required, please don't hesitate to visit a mental health professional, because at this point of time आप अपनी फिजिकल हेल्थ के साथ साथ आप अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ को इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज दिस विल लीड टू एंग्जाइटी एंड डिप्रेशन मोर एंड मोर। उसकी वजह से आपको जो माइग्रेन अटैक्स, जो हेडेक वगैरह भी है, वो सारा कुछ जो मानसिक प्रॉब्लम है वो बढ़ जाती हैं। तो इसलिए आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आपको लगे कि सिचुएशन आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है, या फिर आप कुछ समझ नहीं पा रहे, या आपको अकेलापन महसूस हो रहा है, मन उदासी है, घबराहट, बेचैनी है, तो प्लीज डू स्पीक आउट टू समवन हु इज नॉन जजमेंटल, डू सीक अ प्रोफेशनल mental health care help, because that is actually required. So guys, one last point, and that is one of the most important message to take home. Please get yourself vaccinated as early as possible at your nearest center. Don't think about the pros or cons or the differences between Covishield and Covaxin, and don't just wait for any Pfizer or any Sputnik if you are waiting for. Guys, please do get vaccinated yourself. It is really gonna help you, and please do take care that you remain hydrated after the vaccination. Eat your meals 3 times properly. Try avoiding alcohol, use of cannabis, nicotine and tobacco at least for 2 to 3 weeks. Any queries you have and anything you want to inquire or you want to ask, we are always there to help you. You can contact me at 8427272121. We will be there for your service anytime it's possible. Guys, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.